Dust mites. Tiny bugs living in bedding, carpets, curtains, and stuffed animals. Pet dander. Skin flakes, saliva and urine from cats, dogs, and other furry pets. Mold. Grows in damp places like bathrooms, basements, and around leaks. Pollen can enter through open windows or on clothes and pets. Smoke. Cigarettes, fireplaces, candles, incense. Strong odors. Perfumes, air fresheners, cleaning sprays. Laundry detergents and fabric softeners, especially scented ones. Wool. Blankets or carpets.
Cosmos Medical Center. Follow us for more health-related videos.